Hey guys, Brian Whitaker here with ID Additives. I'm at our warehouse today due to travel restrictions, so I found an opportunity to do some demonstrations and clean up some parts for some customers. And I ran into kind of a unique situation, and I wanted to share it with everybody. So with that, I'm going to turn the camera around. So I've got a couple of my demo units here. And you might hear the cavitation of the pump kind of shutting off and turning back on. The part that I'm actually flushing right now is a sprue bushing. It's got some conformal cooling passages in it. But what I want you to take notice of is the fact that you can hear the pump turning on and off, and actually I think it just broke free. Sweet, it's been 2 hours, but basically I ran into a pressure block situation. I kept the pressure on the line. And it was eating away at whatever blockage was in the sprue bushing. And I started at, I don't have a watch on, actually I do have a watch on me. I started at 11 o'clock this morning. It's now 12:42, so about an hour and 45 it took to break that free. But the point of me filming this video was to show you that if you were to run into a pressure block situation, that the pump would simply shut off, and then as needed, as it was eating away, it would turn itself back on. But another rare sight, we actually got to see it break that passage free. So that was pretty cool. To kind of give you an idea of what a normal operating pump might sound like, I'm going to turn this on just so you have an idea for comparison. So you can see that, you know, there's audibly a difference with the flow. Granted, this sprue bushing is considerably smaller, so I can't get as much flow through it, versus here I'm just cleaning out a pipe for one of our customers looking for a demonstration. So hope you found that useful. I certainly thought it was pretty cool to catch the blockage on camera. So take care, stay safe out there. Bye.